If you're watching this video, chances are your Xfinity internet is down again. And if you're like me, you're probably wondering, what happened? How long will it last? And what can you do about it? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'll break it all down and help you get back online as soon as possible. What's happening? Why is Xfinity down? First things first, why is Xfinity experiencing an outage? There are a few common reasons. Scheduled maintenance. Sometimes Xfinity performs maintenance, but they don't always give a heads up. Technical issues, equipment failures, or server issues can cause massive outages. Weather and power outages, storms, accidents, or other natural disasters can knock out service. Hacking or cyber attacks. While rare, large-scale cyber threats have caused internet disruptions in the past. So, how do you check if there's a widespread outage or if it's just your home? Here are a few quick ways to confirm if Xfinity is down for everyone or just you. Check Xfinity's outage map. Go to Xfinity's official site and look for reported outages in your area. Use Down Detector. Websites like downdetector.com track real-time outage reports from users. Check social media. Twitter is a goldmine for outage complaints. Just search Xfinity down and see if others are having the same issue. Ask your neighbors. If your entire block is offline, it's likely an area-wide problem. Alright, so let's say Xfinity is down for you, but not for everyone else. Here's what you can try to fix it. Restart your modem and router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check for loose cables. Sometimes it's just a simple connection issue. Use mobile data or a hotspot. If you need to get online ASAP, your phone can be a lifesaver. Contact Xfinity support, call or chat with their customer service to get updates. Try a different DNS. Changing to Google's or Cloudflare's DNS servers might help if it's a routing issue. If your internet is out and there's nothing you can do but wait, here are a few productive or fun things to do. Catch up on offline work, read a book or listen to downloaded podcasts, play offline games or go outside. Yes, really. Call Xfinity and ask for a credit on your bill. Hey, it's worth a shot. So there you have it. If you're dealing with an Xfinity outage, hopefully this video helped you figure out what's going on and what to do next. If this was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. And let me know in the comments, how long has your internet been out? Let's vent together.